Hey, want to know the secret to blowing up on YouTube Shorts? Whether you're just starting out or you've been thinking about making videos for a while, this guide is for you. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can go viral, even if you've never uploaded a short before. Here's the best part: you don't need expensive gear, a fancy camera, or wild editing skills. All you really need is your phone, a cool idea, and a few simple tricks that anyone, even total beginners, can use to get their videos seen by thousands or even millions of people. You might be surprised at how easy it is to get started. Let's break it down, step by step. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can follow along and start making your own viral shorts today. First, keep every short under 60 seconds. That's the official limit. But here's a secret: the real magic often happens in the super short ones, like 5 seconds long. These bite-sized videos are quick, punchy, and perfect for grabbing attention. Yeah, just 5 seconds. It might sound crazy, but these ultra-short videos keep viewers watching all the way through, which tells YouTube's algorithm that your content is engaging. The more people watch your video to the end, the more YouTube will push it out to new viewers. That's how you start racking up those views. Second, you have to start strong. The first second is everything. If you don't grab attention right away, people will scroll past without a second thought. So make your opening count. Ask a wild question, show something totally unexpected, or drop a quick, mind-blowing fact. The goal is to hook viewers instantly. If you can make them curious or surprise them, they'll stick around to see what happens next. Remember, you only have a split second to make an impression. Third, use captions. Most people scroll through shorts with the sound off, especially when they're in public or at work. If your message relies on audio, you could be missing out on a huge audience. Add clean, bold subtitles with a strong outline just like this. Make sure your text is easy to read even on a tiny phone screen. Captions help everyone follow along no matter where they're watching. Plus, they make your content more accessible to everyone. Now here's a pro tip: recycle your best ideas. If you have a video that did well, try a new spin on it, or update it with a fresh twist. Don't be afraid to repeat yourself. Sometimes your audience needs to see something more than once before it really clicks. And if you spot a trend, jump on it fast. Don't overthink it or wait too long. Trends move at lightning speed, and the early birds always get the most views. Even if you're not sure, just go for it. You never know which video will take off. If you're getting value from this, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and it lets me know you want more tips like these. It really helps, and you won't miss any future secrets or updates. Plus, you'll be the first to know when I drop new strategies that can help you go viral even faster. Seriously, it makes a huge difference. Back to shorts. Let's keep going. Keep your camera steady and your lighting simple. Shaky footage or dark, grainy videos can turn viewers away before they even hear your message. A steady shot looks way more professional even if you're just using your phone. Daylight works wonders. Just face a window and let that natural light brighten up your shot. You don't need fancy equipment or expensive lights. Sometimes the simplest setup is the best. Just make sure your face is well lit and your background isn't too distracting. Now watch your analytics like a hawk. YouTube gives you tons of data. Use it. See which videos are getting the most views, likes, and comments. If you notice a certain topic or style is working, double down on it. If a short takes off, make more like it, fast. Consistency is your best friend on YouTube. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral. Try batching your content. Film several shorts in one session and upload them over a few days. Want exclusive tips and behind-the-scenes tricks? I share my best secrets with channel members, including advanced strategies and personal feedback. Join the channel as a member. You'll unlock special content and videos I only share with my members. It's the best way to level up fast. Plus, you'll get to connect with a community of creators just like you, all working to grow together. Alright, last tip. Have fun with it. If you're having fun making shorts, people can tell. Your energy is contagious, and when you're enjoying yourself, others will too. Don't stress about being perfect. Just focus on sharing your passion and having a good time. That's the real secret to going viral. When you're authentic and having fun, viewers will want to come back for more. So go create your first 5-second short right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just hit record, post it, and see what happens. Watch your analytics, learn from each upload, and let me know in the comments how it goes. You've got this. I can't wait to see what you create.